All right, let's have a quick conversation about Apex. This is the account I was trying to get funded. I believe I'm funded. We will find out tonight when they process everything. You can see here the account balance is at $53,112. So, hey, we did it. All right, thumbs up. Boom. All right, I think we'll find out. I had very little drawdown, so I would be very surprised if I'm not funded this afternoon. So day one, I came in and just literally played with one micro, put on some trades, took off some trades, put on some trades, lost a trade, won a trade. I just wanted to get a feel for the actual program, right? For their web interface. I needed to understand how to do stop loss. So if I'm going to put 10, 15 contracts on a trade, I need to know like what I'm doing as far as how to execute them, right? So got to walk before you run. So I practiced that for that day. So that day was a wash. But I was trying. I was trying so hard to get funded in one trade. I just wanted to do that, right? Because Apex allows you to get funded in one trade as long as you don't hit the drawdown, right? Top Step has their consistency rule. So I've always at most gotten funded in two trades. So I'm like, dude, get funded in one trade. Let's go. That just sounded cool. So I took it on as like a just a little personal project to try and get it done. We got it. So, well, didn't get the one trade, but we did get the account funded. I'm going to be doing another one where I'm going to do it. One day I will take one of these accounts and I am going to get funded in one trade. So, all right. So my goal here is to start to stack and copy trade. I've dabbled in that, but I haven't really done that like consistently. And, I know some guys that have 10, 20 accounts that are, so when they make $500 on a trade, they're really making like 5K. So of course, that piques my interest, right? We're here to make money. I'm not here to be greedy about it, but we are here to make money. And so I'm going to give this a try and see if I can start stacking accounts. We'll see how that goes as far as the mental bandwidth and the psyche that's going to take. So yeah, I'm super excited, super excited. So if you guys are watching this and you've wondered how I've gotten funded on multiple accounts through Top Step, through Apex, here to tell you it was not an easy road. It was actually a very, very difficult road, and sometimes it still is difficult, right? I don't mean to make this sound easy because it's not easy. Um, but we do have a link below for our Discord. I built this Discord for one thing, and that is to help one, a brand new trader, or two, someone who's actually struggling, like struggle busing. I've worked with people that have been trading 3, 4, 5 years and they're still not profitable. I was able to help them identify really what was in the way, what was causing excuse me, causing that. Because most of the time it's not what you think it is. It is something that's really unexpected. For me, it was a deep-seated like I can't be wrong. I wouldn't allow myself to be wrong. So, and you're like, well, that doesn't seem to affect you too negatively. The problem was because I couldn't be wrong, I had a hard time switching my bias and I had a hard time letting go of an idea of like, I'm shorting today and I'm going to short this day because I'm right, because we need to be short because I couldn't allow myself to be wrong. So what ended up happening is I'd take 3, 4 shorts trying to prove that I was right. Because how many times have we gotten stopped out and then it goes in our direction, right? So identifying that was my issue or one of my struggles was to not allow myself to be wrong. Once I changed that, dude, you want to talk about like I'm trying to short. And I'm like, okay, oh, whoa, hold up, hold up. All signs point to bullish right now. Look at this bullish order flow. Look at this time-based liquidity that's just been swept. I know I'm changing my bias, but the market's telling me. And I started to listen to that. And I started to base my trades on those kind of thoughts and not the thought of, man, you can't be wrong. You said it was going to be, a bearish day. It needs to be a bearish day. It made a difference. I mean, when I say a difference, I went from like barely not being profitable to like doing very well. Okay. So, and I've helped other people, like I just can't stop over trading. I constantly take trades, and I work with them and I give them challenges and I give them things to do that actually help them build, the skill set of not trading, the skill of sitting on their hands. And it's those kinds of things that have made the difference for people. It's not what you think it is. It's not me showing you some magical golden strategy. I can give my golden strategy to somebody and they go fail because you know what? It's not exactly a golden strategy. You have to be willing to lose. You have to be willing to be wrong, and you have to be willing to switch your bias. And you need to have the proper risk management, the proper psychology, everything, right? So a lot of times it's not what you think it is. And if you want to join the Discord and come in, we can help you build like a playbook, like an actual playbook, an actual plan, help identify, like what could be in your way of your profits. Okay. Because Marcus Aurelius said, what is in the way becomes the way. So basically, because my problem was I wasn't able to allow myself to be right, I taught myself how I could profit when I was wrong. Okay. All right. Like for real. I was able, I gave myself the skill set. One, the okay, like, dude, it's okay to be wrong. It's okay to be wrong. And then two, if you're wrong, how can you change your trade plan that fits what the market's telling you to do? So just little things like that. So anyway, the Discord was built purely just to help people. I get a thrill out of it. I love it. And our other coaches just love helping people. So if you're a struggling trader or a brand new trader, I would recommend coming in, giving it a shot, and learning from some people that have been there, done that, and struggled. I've got the videos. I have struggled through most, I would say almost all potential trading struggles I've been there. So anyway, I'm going to do more videos on Apex. I want to do more updates as I get hopefully accounts stacked. This is like a 6 month to a year plan for me. So don't look in like the next, week for an update on this. It's going to be a while. But I do plan on stacking accounts and giving some feedback on their program, on their payouts, on their copy trading. I'm probably going to lean into Ninja Trader, I think. But I'm going to look at some of my options and see what I can do. So, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.